Good morning, this is Yuji Yamane, known as Maneko. How are you? I'm broadcasting global news or trends every morning like this, so please hit the like button and subscription button as well. Okay, today I'd like to talk about the Australians news related to the Japanese crime. Okay, let's talk about it. Let it go, okay? There have been a series of incidents where Japanese individuals have been caught attempting to smuggle cigarettes into Australia. Recently, there has indeed been a significant increase in incidents involving Japanese nationals attempting to smuggle cigarettes into Australia. This trend has called the attention of Australian authorities and highlights the growing issue of illicit tobacco trade in the country. Since July 2024, Australian authorities have arrested 24 Japanese nationals for allegedly smuggling large quantities of cigarettes into the country. Some notable incidents include on September 7, which is this month, 2024, 4 Japanese men were arrested at Brisbane Airport for attempting to bring over 140,000 cigarettes into Australia without declaring them. Earlier in July, which is a couple months ago, 9 Japanese nationals were refused entry into Australia at Sydney International Airport after Australian Border Force (ABF) officers seized a combined 330,000 cigarettes from them. Motivation and the method. The surge in cigarette smuggling attempts appears to be driven by several factors. Rising cigarette prices. The Australian government has been increasing taxes on cigarettes to reduce the smoking rates. A pack of 25 cigarettes now costs about 50 Australian dollars, approximately 5,000 yen, more than double the price from 10 years ago. Potential profits. Some suspects have admitted they expected to receive payment for smuggling the cigarettes, including the involvement of organized crime. Smuggling techniques. The smugglers often try to enter the country as tourists, hiding large quantity of cigarettes in their suitcases. Australian authority responses. Australian Border Force and other agencies are taking this issue seriously, including enforcement. ABF officers are stepping up control and using intelligence to identify and intercept smuggling attempts. Visa cancellation. Individuals caught smuggling cigarettes are having their visas cancelled and are being refused entry into Australia. Fines and penalties. Smugglers face fines and potential exclusion from re-entering Australia for up to 3 years. Border implications. This trend of cigarette smuggling is a part of a larger issue of illicit tobacco trade in Australia. The black market for cigarettes have been described as out of control, costing billions in lost tax revenue. Australian authorities emphasized that purchasing illicit tobacco fuels organized crime and enables other crimes activities. How much the penalty would be on each? The penalties for cigarette smuggling into Australia can be quite severe. Here is a breakdown of potential penalties. Fines can range from $31,300 up to $469,500, depends on the severity of the offense. For possessing more than 2 kilograms but less than 5 kilograms of illicit tobacco, a civil penalty fine up to $31,300 may be imposed. For most serious offenses involving 5 kilograms or more of illicit tobacco, criminal penalties can include fines between $60,600 and $313,000. In one case, a man was fined $10,000 in addition to other penalties for possessing illicit tobacco product. Okay, so this is the news I wanted to talk about today. I can't believe that the Japanese people are doing this. This is not like the Japanese people's way to do it. I think nowadays it's easy for young people to get contacted by bad yakuza groups through SNS. Those young guys who wants to get a quick cash, they search like quick cash part-time job, and yakuza can reach out to them. And sometimes these young ones, they murder the people, they break into the house, stealing something, they even kill old people as well. That kind of things happen a lot in Japan, and I think this is also the part of it, like organized crime team in Japan. Maybe they get funded from yakuza, and what they do is they just pay a lot of money to young people who just bring those suitcases to overseas. So it's young people doesn't know what's inside the suitcases, and I think they can do that because the Japanese has got a high trust in Australia. And even me, I travel back to Japan maybe 15 times or 20 times for the last 25 years, but most of the time I don't get checked at custom in the airport because I'm Japanese. They see my passport and they say go ahead. But these guys got caught, the criminals, made the reputation of the Japanese really bad. That's really unfortunate for Japanese people who built the trust already here in Australia. They trust Japanese, but it seems like it's not going to happen anymore from now on. These things happen usually for those poor country who the Japanese never done this such thing. They've done that, but the number of this kind of crime compared to other poor countries must be very low. Yeah? But now Japanese people, they start doing this. I think it's because of the economy, financial situation in Japan. People are struggling to survive in Japan, so they do this to feed themselves or they feed their family. If the economy is not doing well, those people will just commit crime to get quick cash, and that's unfortunate. But yeah, today I talked about the Japanese criminal. Yeah, thank you for listening. See you next time. So let's do a quick chit chat. I'm drinking coffee. Yeah. It's a large cafe. It's one of my favorites. It's called Glass House, and it's located in the industrial area in Altamont. Yeah? And I sometimes come here, especially on the weekend. This banana really looks good, isn't it? I usually feel from park because it will be wet, as you can see. I can see blue sky now, but this place has got the roof, so it's really good. The time is 8:30. Currently it's 17 degrees, and it's westerly winds happening. It's gonna go up to 19 degrees today. It's very chilly. Alright, let's have a look at the market. Okay, Bitcoin went up a bit. American stock went down a little bit. The gold went down a little bit. India's went the same. And Japanese yen against Australia is the same. Japanese yen against America went down. I mean, the value went up. And Bitcoin is really good. It's more than 65,000. Really good. World stocks, all world except excluding US index, it went up a bit. It's high growth dividend. It's on high dividend EA technicals. Went down a little bit. Australian property, same. Apple, same. Okay. It's 30th of September. It's my birthday. Okay. I was born 30th of September, 44 years ago. Oh, nice. Oh, not Tyson. It's a day. It's a day they try to. They're attempting. They're aiming to make a car accident to zero. Yeah. And it's a clean state. Wow. So this Japanese Plane Association, Oil Plane Association, they decided to make this day as a clean day from 1980. That's the day I was born. Yeah. All right, let's have a look at the weights. Actually, it's been pumping today, this morning. I should have known. I just to go for supper, but I'm a bit lazy today. I want to save my energy. I want to save my energy for playing soccer this evening. So the offshore, it's northerly swell. People are having fun on the beach, as we thought. But yeah, I'm going to go surf tomorrow. All right. Okay. So I want to talk about new smartphone. Although I've been a big fan of Apple products, and I have an Apple ecosystem. I have got Apple Watch, I have got AirPods, I've got Apple TV, I've got iPhones and everything. I've been really enjoying the Apple products, but recently I feel a bit bored to the Apple products because have a look at the iPhone. The iPhone, the physics scene, it hasn't been changed for the last 7 years. It looks all the same, and it's boring. But if you have a look at the other phones, the Fold phone is very interesting to me. Like, the Google Pixel has got the Fold phone. What is it called? Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold. I researched about it yesterday, and I found that Google Pixel Fold looks really good. But I found a better one, which is Galaxy Z 6 Pro Fold. I'm thinking to get it. It's expensive, but it's got everything I need right now. I'll show you what it looks like. Yeah, this one, Galaxy Fold6. I'll show you hold on, let me do that. Galaxy Fold6. Let's see how the 6 is. This one, isn't it great? It looks super good. I think I'm gonna get it. Even if it's expensive, it cost $2,742 for the phone itself. The reason why I will get it is because it's something between the smartphone and the tablet. And I was thinking to get iPad mini, and I'm gonna upgrade my phone to iPhone 16 Pro Max. And also, I was thinking to get AirPlay for my car as well. So these three devices that will cost me more than $5,000 because iPhone itself it costs like how much? Nearly $2,000, right? If you go for the Pro Max. And if you get iPad Mini, it's gonna cost you $1,000. It's already $3,000. I was told that I have to pay more than $1,000 to change my car navigation system to the CarPlay. But if I have this Galaxy Z Fold6, it covers all three devices, right? And it seems like it's got the better camera. It's got a better battery life, and it's got like a multi-Windows system. I think Galaxy 6 Fold Z can have like up to 3 different screens in the tablet mode, and you can have like a floating window as well. So totally 4 windows you can run. And I know that it's got the screen capture mode, including voice like this. Yeah. I already checked that. They call it screen recording. Yeah? So I want to broadcast using the phone, having perplexity on the left side, I can show the image on the right side, and I can also see the notes on the right bottom side, right? I want to do that. And great thing about this Android phone, it can be easily customized to meet my expectation, and also it's got one of the great CPUs, so I can connect it to a monitor, and I can also use the wireless keyboard and mouse, and the computer is very good, very strong, very fast, so I can use it as like a PC as well. So it's got a pen as well. I want to take a note using pen sometimes. I want to do the 0 seconds thinking thing using a pen. I can do that. That's the reason why I wanted to get the tablet. I can take a note in this tablet mode in the meeting, right? So I've almost decided to take it, but personally I prefer the Google products, so I might get the Pixel 9 Fold. It looks nicer. Pixel 9 Fold, yeah, it looks nicer. Yeah? I want to get this phone as well, but I heard that this battery doesn't last long, and it doesn't cover like it covers like multiple window system, so you can run one window on the left side and one window on the right side, but it doesn't cover like three windows multitasking, running at the same time. Yeah. And I saw the comparison between these two fold phones, and I found that the Galaxy Fold is better than this. So I'm thinking to get Galaxy One, and it happened to be my basket today. So hopefully I can get it today. That's the reason why I'm in this place, because this place has got excellent storage for JD Hi-Fi. So after this broadcasting, I'm gonna pay a visit to the JD Hi-Fi. I play around the phone and let's see if I like it or not. Hopefully I buy it, but I probably don't buy it from this store because I found Amazon is doing a sale now. Galaxy Amazon. And also, Amazon will have a Prime sale dates coming up from 8th of October. Let me go to Amazon. Okay, let's have a look. Then display. Relaxing for things. I want to get this phone. How come it's so expensive, this one? It costs $2,936. Oh, I thought it's cheaper than that. Why? It's because of 512 gig range. So I don't need that much memory. This one, yeah. So this one costs you 2,425, which is 200 cheaper than other places. RRP is $2,742. Right? It says it's one left, right? But I know the Prime Day is coming soon. Does it say somewhere? And it's got the bundles with this one. I bought 3,722. So this phone and Samsung Ultra watch, that is usually cost me it's nearly 5,000. But if I bundle it, I get a lot of discount. This one, wow, should I buy it? No. I'm gonna play it more. Okay, so it doesn't say the Prime Day things, but if I go to this one, see, Prime Big Day deals. From 8th of October. So I might wait for a couple of weeks and I'm gonna get it. I'm pretty confident I'm gonna get either this Galaxy Fold or the Pixel Fold. I've been waiting for Apple to release the Fold phone, but unfortunately they didn't release it. I know they are preparing for it, but they say it'll be done by 2026. But I can't wait. This Galaxy and Pixel phone is super good. It's got already AI supported feature. This Android phone has got the Gemini access, and you can use a magic pen to remove unwanted object in a photo, and you can draw something in a photo and it generates things. And of course, you can easily record your voice and it scribes what you're talking and it summarizes what you're talking as well. And of course, you can reply any message with one click. So all these things which Apple has been trying to do, they haven't yet released the Apple Intelligence yet. And all the things Apple tried to do, most of them have been already implemented in the Samsung Galaxy and Google Pixel. So for me, Apple is very slow. Apple seems like they are following other cutting-edge companies like that. See, Apple is not the best company for the smartphone anymore. Why they don't release the Fold phone yet? Why they don't release the Apple Intelligence yet? And I used to be an Apple fan because not many people were using Apple because it was too expensive. But nowadays, I see many people using Apple phones, and that becomes the audience. Like normal people use the Apple phone, it's not fine anymore. I think the market share of the Apple is quite high compared to other ones. But look at the Pixel Pro Fold. It's super expensive to sell that because they don't produce a lot. Apple produce really a lot, so the device will be cheaper. But imagine you have one smartphone which other millions of people have the same one, or you have one Pixel Pro which no one has. Like could be one of 10 smartphones in the city. See? A precious thing. I'm not sure how many people love a Galaxy phone initially, but yeah, I think I fell in love with the Galaxy phone, and yeah, I kind of like Samsung. Our TV is Samsung, and some of our home appliance is Samsung or LG. So I kind of trust all South Korean companies. It's true that the Japanese company doesn't do much in the smartphone industry, but yeah. For now, I think it will be the Google or the Samsung. Yeah, that's pretty much what I wanted to talk about. Thank you for listening. See you next time. Bye.